The 2014 battleground is heating up. On a day, the BJP President Rajnath Singh has called Modi their most popular leader. Ally JDU has made their Modi aversion pretty clear. BJP is now under pressure to call a meeting of NDA allies, even as the party is refusing to jump the gun on naming a candidate till an appropriate time. Here's a complete report.
नहीं देखिए, इन्होंने कहा कि एक बार भी नाम, मैंने कहा कि सर्वाधिक लोकप्रिय नेता।
The BJP is in no hurry to announce its prime ministerial candidate.
जब जनता चाहती है तो भाजपा को भी सोचना पड़ेगा। भाजपा के नेता ने कहा है कि सबसे पॉपुलर नेता हमारे देश के, हमारे पार्टी के भीतर इस समय नरेंद्र मोदी हैं।
But others close to the Sangh Parivar believe Modi should be the face of 2014, triggering this angry reaction from BJP's ally, the JDU.
प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में हम किसका नाम लेकर के पॉलिटिकल पार्टियां चुनाव लड़ेंगी, ये फैसला पॉलिटिकल पार्टियां करती हैं। ये इस तरह का फैसला साधु संत करें, ये अखाड़े वाले नागा लोग करें, ये राजनीति को आप कहां पहुंचा रहे हैं?
Parties which have been listening to Shahi Imam and mullahs and maulvis on various issues, they have absolutely no right to say that sadhu sants have no business to decide about the Prime Minister of the country.
And Sunday saw a slew of reactions from both camps, the JDU and BJP jostling over who should be the face of the ally for the next general elections.
The name of the prime ministerial candidate for the 2014 Lok Sabha polls should be discussed between the meeting of the NDA, and if there is unanimity on a name, then it should be declared.
प्रधानमंत्री चुनाव में किसके नेतृत्व में चुनाव के मैदान में एनडीए और भारतीय जनता पार्टी जाएगी, उपयुक्त समय पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी उसकी घोषणा कर देगी.
And as the JDU made attempts to ensure its Modi aversion message was clear, the BJP raised temperatures.
Even though a fresh controversy has broken out between the JDU and the BJP over the Sant Sadhu remark and the meeting that is scheduled to take place later this week, picture could be much clearer as far as the strategy of the principal opposition party is concerned for 2014 Lok Sabha fight. Also, because the national president of the BJP, Rajnath Singh, will be visiting Kumbh later this week.
And as the war of words in the NDA camp continues, the Samajwadi Party jumped into the PM debate, throwing in options of a third front while pitching its own Mulayam Singh for the top job.
कोई यदि नेता है तो माननीय मुलायम सिंह यादव हैं, और सभी लोग माननीय मुलायम सिंह यादव की तरफ ही देख रहे हैं कि इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री बने.
15 months before the country sees the next general elections, the capital is already witnessing a fierce debate which is slowly polarizing parties. And when push comes to shove, will we also see alliances broken and new political friends emerge? With Tavleen in New Delhi, Niranjan for Times Now.